KBSX stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether FST Corporation stock is a buy or not for me. Sitting at $4 and we don't have that much data to work with. But yeah, we're going to work with the data that we have. I've done well over 37,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I have proof of all of that. Everything is documented. Specifically looking at KBSX, the one thing that's going to propel me towards that bullish side, if I want to target the bullish side, is going to be breaks above $8. But quite frankly, we will have to go up like 100%, right? Double the price where we're right here. So yeah, unless I see that 100% movement, then I'm just not going to buy. Almost do, right? So yeah, I'm not saying this in a way to just be like this rubbish trashy guy on FST Corp. It's just the truth. I'm just sticking to mine, right? So it's just a bearish range. Nothing much else that I would do here. But yeah, if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.